Yo guys, Ziggy here. We got Zach, Brad here. Gonna do a little bit of white noise online. So yeah, hope it's entertaining for you. So what map do you want to do? What?
Brad's definitely shit.
Right, what? Yeah, like Zach, what map do you want to do? Like, you can either do. Should we just random? Like,
Yeah.
what difficulty? Easy, normal, hard.
Easy.
Like, what characters?
Why didn't you found all of them on the hard ones, though, didn't
What is that?
Why have you got so many characters and I've only got like 3?
Because
Why have I only got 3
I'm
characters?
the invisible man. Right, sweet, let's go.
Why have I only got 3 characters?
You've done a lot.
Oh, fucking hell.
2,
Oh my god, make sure you stay close to me.
So you guys, as you know, Nick is now sub-botted.
Yeah.
Where are you lot? Where are you lot?
I'm stuck. I'm actually
You're
literally
on
stuck
the
over
other
the other side. I'm stuck. The
Is there a
fuck?
bridge?
Bye, you
Yeah, there's a
guys.
bridge over there, there's a bridge now.
No, there isn't. No.
There's no bridge.
Invisible.
I'm invisible.
Wait, run down this way, run down this
Where's that?
way.
Look at me. I'm invisible.
That comes down this
Oh,
way,
wow.
there's a bridge. Yeah, there's a bridge. Clearly you can walk over stones.
So impressive this game is.
Oh,
Hats on.
why?
Your head's fucked.
I can hear one.
Over that, my player's got double vision.
I wonder if you can have it because I don't need it. I've already got all the characters.
Oh, I haven't got any characters.
Yeah, let Brad have
Okay.
it. Just press
I don't
it.
get it.
Again.
Ah!
Yeah, he
Can't see
comes
anything.
now.
I've got no torch.
Press X.
Oh.
If we turn the torches off, let's play.
No, because we won't be able to get the thing. Oh shit, there That was such a late reaction from me
Fuck
though.
this, I'm running.
Is he still there?
I'm running.
Yep, he's still there. Yeah, don't worry, it doesn't, oh no, look behind you. He doesn't give you the scare promise.
Ah, Nick!
Stop ditching us, Nick.
Brave it. Where is it? Oh my Jesus Christ, don't look behind you. Right, okay, yeah, look behind you. It's fine, he's not gonna get you. He's at 80 away. Look, I'll even look behind. Yep, he's not there now, shit. Yep, he's not there now.
Shit.
Right, it's down this side.
Play it again. Enderman.
Let me get it this time. Oh, let me get it. I haven't got any characters.
Right, there's another bridge here. Oh, Brad, I'll let you get 2 and then we'll take it in turns. Bang.
Found it.
Wait, he's right here. I'm going white. He's right behind us somewhere. I'm going white. Where are you lot? Don't run off without me. Right, let's read the sign.
There's no right on the side. Shit. Oh my Jesus, kill a baby. Shit, he's there.
Where have you gone? What are the torch like, Brad? I don't know where Nick went. Nick's invisible. Nick don't care.
Don't look at it, don't look at it.
Oh my God, where are you?
Babe, look.
I don't know.
Have you gone to the wooden thing?
Enderman.
I'm at the wooden thing.
Yeah, we're here.
Yeah, we're at the wooden thing.
Oh
Yeah,
yes,
we're at the
oh
wooden
thanks,
thing.
see, thank God.
Where?
Oh, here he is.
Oh!
There.
No, he's behind me, he's behind me.
Oh! He's just seen me, Nick.
Where?
He's there! Over on the right! Over on the right! Over on the right!
It's the piano that gets you.
Right, let's keep walking.
Where have you gone? Where have you gone? Where have you gone? No, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
Wait, Nick, turn off your torch.
Nick, where are us? Where's Nick? Oh, there he is. the brick.
Oh, he's in front of us.
Oh, I can't see it.
Why is my light turned off? Why is my light turned
He's
off?
running out of batteries.
How do I get batteries?
Can't.
Two Zig's dead this time.
Ah! I'm dead! Ah!
Zach, no, stay there, because I can see your light. Stay there, just stay there.
Oh,
Don't move,
Where
don't
am
move. It's fine, you can't get got now, you're like a ghost.
where's that? Look. Look behind you. You know what I mean?
You look like an absolute twat like that.
He's to the left,
Right
he's to my
behind
left, I
you.
hear him.
Why can't I see him?
Oh shit, Brad, why'd you say that? He's right there in front of me.
Quick, just take it, go.
Here.
Go. Halfway, Nick, come on.
That's okay, that's fine.
Halfway. Oh, it's too
Oi.
dangerous to go alone.
Shit.
I'm
I'm
near
surrounded by these
Oi, I'll
green
go
things.
to him. I can see him. I'll go you to him.
He's somewhere right behind me,
I'm
Nick.
surrounded by the white green things and I die. I'm trying to walk away, but I can't.
I'm dead.
Same, if I break my... Oh, yeah. Oh, my
Who
God.
are you, Zach? Are you dead,
Yeah.
Nick?
I'm not
Oh, I
dead
can
yet,
see him.
but I'm...
Look at this, that. It's sticking out.
Slenderman. Slenderman.
I know I need to find another bridge or something.
Right, carry on going this way, Zach. Carry on going this way.
Can't. It's just a wall. I can see up ahead, but it's just a wall. Ah! What the fuck is killing me? Alright.
Oh, I hear one. Oh, there's a green thing.
What?
Zach, look at it, it's a green thing.
What? I'll be down in a minute, man. Just keep the chicken in the pan. Keep the chicken in the pan.
Oh my God, we come to like the same place 3 times in a row with each thing.
Ah, shit, he's got me.
Oh, unlucky
Sorry.
lad.
How long did I last for it? 24 minutes. Jesus.